Hey guys, welcome to Vanguard Thursdays, and today we're going to be going over the fifth and final perm of the week. Next week's perms will start on Sunday by GDT Cuber, as always, and we're also going to be showing you some finger tricks that you can do to help speed up your solving a little bit. Now these, if you learn them while you're learning your algorithms, you'll naturally be able to do them faster without having to retrain later on how to do something. And also at the end of the video, I'm going to let you know how you can win this cube, and we'll send it out to you. So with all that in mind, let's get started. So to recognize a Jb Perm, you're going to look for a solid bar on the left, and in the front will be a partial bar, but you'll notice this just wraps right around. So that'll be your left and back, and basically all you're doing is you're swapping these two corners and these two edges, and that's how you know you have a Jb Perm. Okay, so the way to do this is actually pretty simple, and it's just a combination of R and F moves. So here we go. It's R, U, R prime, F prime, and then you're going to do your right hand move, which is R, U, R prime, U prime, and then R prime, F, R2, U prime, and you can see the last move is just R, and then you're all done. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do with the finger tricks is to show you the easiest way to practice them. And to start with, you just want to get used to doing two moves at a time, because that's the most you'll ever do. And like with you just do 1 2 1 2 1 2, U prime 1 2 1 2. Now another I'll show you later how you can use a different combination, but like D2, you can do like your ring finger, pinky finger, or you can do like I do, ring finger, middle finger. When I'm holding it, I just do like that, and it makes it a little bit easier for me. But you know, some people have bigger hands, smaller hands, so each one's a little different, and the opposite is actually just the same for me. I do ring finger, middle finger. Now you still want to, even if you don't use your pinky that often, you want to practice using it, because there's going to be situations where your ring finger and your middle finger just aren't going to be in the right spot to do it, and you may need to sneak in a pinky or something like that. Now so there's your L, R, U, and D's. Now the next is your M. Now your M moves are typically going to be your ring finger, middle finger, forward. And to give you a better look at what I'm doing, I'm just kind of sliding it along the bottom there. And this is an excellent cube for turning because it doesn't grip a lot on the other edges. So excellent cube to practice with as well. But you can kind of see what I'm doing. Now when you switch and you want to do, now that's for M prime, but what if you want to do M moves? Now typically M is going to be up. Now you can use your ring finger, middle finger from both sides and practice that. And let me see here. Okay, so you know, you can do one from each side to get in the habit of, or if you need to do one of each. Now, but I'm going to show you a quicker way, because you don't need to do this in twos, because you can always do these two. And so you only need to do this in one, which the best way is just what I just did. A wide right, and then an R. So a wide R, R. And the reason why I'll show you this, like if I did this, I could move into that very quickly. And it's a lot easier than trying to manipulate where my finger is going to be at the back, and it's a lot faster. And once you practice it a couple times, you'll see what I'm talking about. Now, the way that I practice these finger tricks is I do it by how my hand goes. Like if I'm doing, say this, like at the beginning of the J Perm, I do R, U, R prime, F prime. Now, see, I use my thumb. Now, typically if I was going to be practicing this as a normal way, I would be practicing my F's probably like this and like that, trying to get them used to it, like kind of do a little tilt and do them like I would a U move. But when my hand's all the way down here, it's easier just to use my thumb move. So work on situations like that. When you break your algorithms down, figure out where your hands are to your next move and think about what's going to be the easiest for you. And that will help you speed up along the way, and you'll be learning the algorithms faster right from the start, even though you're doing them slow. Okay guys, so as I told you at the beginning of the video, I'm going to tell you how to get this cube free. We're going to give this cube away to a random person on February 14th. We're going to do a drawing. To enter the drawing, all you have to do is go into the comments below and type in "count me in." Now you need to be in the United States because we can't ship outside the United States right now. I do apologize for that. But we're going to be doing this every month. It won't be this cube every month, but it will be a cube once a month. So to enter, just put in the comments. Now sometimes our comments get turned off because GDT is younger and YouTube turns them off on us and I have to reactivate them. If that's the case, you can go into the description, find my email, Vanguardt at our website address, shoot me an email, count me in, and I'll add your name to the list. And on February 14th, we will contact you after the drawing if you won and ask for an address. Now you can send it to yourself, to anybody, as long as they're in the United States. Just let us know who to address it to, who it's from, and we will ship your cube out the very next day. Thank you for all that, and don't miss the new algorithm starting Sunday. And also make sure to hit like and subscribe, and we will see you next Thursday.